Then you're mute. Have you decided over your topic path?
No, ma'am.
Still, and it's almost 3 months now. Okay, then out of 30, I think it's out of 30 marks. I'll put zero then. Tell something. Why are you doing this? You don't want marks. Beta, my volume is full, Shreyansh. Parth, can you tell me the reason? Okay, I'll just inform to your mother then that you are not getting any marks. Fine. It's the duty of the teacher to run after you. Yes, Devang, start.
Yes, ma'am. Om Shri Sai Ram.
Devang, can you please close the door? I think there's a lot of sound background it's coming from your house. Yes, now it's okay. Yes, Devang, continue.
Ma'am, now?
Now also sound is coming. If you are not ready today and there's a lot of disturbance to your house, then should I call upon Shriyansh? Because he is also ready with his PPT. Last time he had informed. Shriyansh, are you ready with your PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with your PPT?
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, now.
Now it's okay, Devang. Yes, you can continue.
Om Shri Sai Ram. It's chapter 6D5 from a supplementary book. English extra questions. So, question number one. What surprise did Ranji discover after a month in Rajpur? Anybody wants to answer?
Whose help do you want? Because your partner is not there today. Whose help would you like?
Ma'am Akshat?
Akshat. Akshat, can you please guide him? And you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you can tell the names of the students.
Okay, ma'am.
And they will not write me, so you can randomly call them so that we come to know that who is actually present in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshat, can you pick someone to they can answer?
May I, Adyasha?
Yes.
Okay.
Ranji discovered a pool in the forest, and he saw that the water had a gentle translucency, and he could also see the smooth round pebbles at the bottom of the pool, and a small stream emerged from a cluster of rocks to feed the pool. So this uh, uh, this he discovered after a month in Rajpur.
Yes, you are right. Answer. Ranji found a clean, cold, and inviting swimming pool in the Rajpur and in the forest. It was such a pool as he had never seen. So, question number two. Describe the atmosphere when Ranji wondering about a good deal. Akshat, can you pick someone?
Yes. Um Krishna. Krishna answered the question. All right. Next, Monica answer the question.
Monica, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't know the answer, just reply that I don't know.
Ma'am, I don't know.
So that the other person can call some other person, no?
Uh, Khushi answer the question.
I don't know.
Okay, ma'am, I will show that answer. Ma'am,
Yes, Ritu.
answer.
There's someone to read it. If you can tell someone to read it.
Anybody wants to read? Akshat, can you pick someone?
Khushi read the answer. Khushi, Parth, Monica, anyone?
May I?
It was
May
the
I?
height of
Okay, Monica, you answer.
It was the height of summer. It was really the hottest month of the year. The earth was trees seemed to be lifeless, hardly stirring, waiting for a cool wind or a refreshing shower of rain.
Okay, be ready for next question. How did Ranji brown feet become white?
Parth, Parth answer the question.
I don't know.
Okay. Pooja answer the question. Pooja,
If
I
nobody,
Radhika,
don't. I don't know.
Radhika answer the question.
if nobody know the answer, I can show.
Yes, please.
Akshat, pick anyone to read the answer.
Parth,
May I read?
yes, Radhika, you read.
Ranji was in his western shorts. Chalky dust was flying up from the ground that struck to his feet.
Yes. Question number 4.
Devang, there's a lot of sound from your house. Is it
Yes,
possible कि ये बच्चे कहीं और चले जाएं?
yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
आप म्यूट करके जाओ अपने माइक. By the time he is coming, I want to
अरे
know.
यहाँ कोई खबर नहीं ले सकता क्या? हाँ? मैं भी बोल रही है इसको क्या
Nikunj Tyagi is here finally. Nikunj बड़ी जल्दी आता है तो. Okay, I'll just call out the names of the students who have already done the PPT. I want to note down the names of the children who are getting 0 marks. And I'm going to personally give this message to their parents, all of them. Pooja, are you there? Adisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please help me out. I'm telling the names of the students and their topics also who have done the presentations. First is Pooja and Kushi. They have
Yes,
done,
ma'am.
and the
Yes,
topic
ma'am.
was Princess September. Second was
Yes, ma'am.
Nikunj. Okay. एंड बेटा अगर और किसी का नाम तुम्हें याद है जो मैं जिसको भूल रही हूँ तो वो भी बता देना. Nikunj. Nikunj had done a very short
Ma'am.
one, active and passive. I would say it was a very passive presentation because he did
Ma'am,
not do
you
any.
said me to do this active passive voice again.
Because he did not do it properly. That is why. And remember, Nikunj, marks will be deducted because you did not do it of that quality. Tanisha and Nandini had done punctuations.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha and Nandini. Punctuations. Okay. Then you have Udit and Rudraksh. They did chapter 6. Isn't it Rudraksh?
Yes,
Raksh is not
ma'am.
here. Okay. Is there? Okay. You had done 6th chapter. Akshata and Khushi, 7th chapter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranjal and Akshat, subject verb agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
Monica and Nandini, they had done the poem. Which poem?
When I set out for Leonis.
When I said out earlier. And then Pranjal and Devang, chapter 6. This one, na, the fight.
Yes, ma'am.
And Adisha had done reported speech.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pooja had done active, and she's supposed to do this actually. She hasn't done this. And then you have Giridhar and Pranjal, have they done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, they were supposed to do the 8th chapter. Okay. So Giridhar and Pranjal will be doing the 8th chapter. Pinky Pooja will be doing the schoolboy. Schoolboy is which chapter?
Ma'am, I am doing the chapter.
Can someone tell me, schoolboy, what is the number of the chapter?
Ma'am, chapter 5.
Chapter 5.
Ma'am, poem.
Okay, it's a poem. Okay, it's a poem. Okay, fine. And Sarthak. Sarthak is there? Sarthak is also not there. Sarthak had told that he'll be doing with someone. I don't have the name. It is chapter 9. Now tell me the names of the students. Anyone has the list of children? Akshata or Nandini, anyone you remember the roll number wise the names?
No, ma'am.
Akshat, do you know the name? Akshat, any idea of the names? By last year, you were actually remembering the names of all
No,
the
ma'am.
students. From where am I going to get the list now? Rudraksh, do you remember? Okay, you know the names of your classmates. Now just tell me randomly the names. One is
Yes,
like
ma'am, I know.
Pranav and who knows it?
Ma'am, Radhika.
Radhika. Very good, Radhika. Tell me the names of the students. जिसके अभी मैंने नाम नहीं बताए जिन्होंने presentation की.
Adarsh.
Adarsh. Yes, one second. I'm noting it down. Adarsh. Second.
Ma'am, I have to tell roll number wise or randomly?
Anything, whatever you remember.
Ma'am, Manav,
Manav. Pranav. Is it
Natik,
Pranav? Natik. Natik comes every day. I see him. Today also he was present. Yes, Natik, on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, आप तो बिल्कुल चुप बैठे हुए हो. आपको भी जीरो है ना? आप क्या? You didn't give any presentation. You people have got that message that what are your tools for this periodic 3? And तब भी आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि मैं जीरो दे दूं. Answer me, Netik.
Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am. किस चीज के बारे में बोल रही हूँ मैं? बताओ
मैम
नैतिक, you're there in the
प्रेजेंटे
class ना?
यस
हाँ?
मैम।
Tell me
मैम
what am I speaking
प्रेजेंटेशन
about?
के बारे में।
हाँ, प्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में। किस चीज की प्रेजेंटेशन है ये?
मैम
हाँ? बताओ।
चैप्टर्स की।
कौन सी चैप्टर्स की? आप इतने दिनों से क्लास में आ रहे हो, आपकी अटेंडेंस भी मैं देख रही हूँ। डू यू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन फॉर द पास्ट 2 months?
मैम मेरे को मेरा
यस।
टॉपिक ही नहीं पता।
क्या?
मैम टॉपिक ही नहीं पता।
टॉपिक आपको चूज करके देना है। टॉपिक ही नहीं पता तो आपने एक बार भी माइक म्यूट करके या चैट बॉक्स में लिखा कि मैडम इतने दिनों से ये प्रेजेंटेशन चल रही, मेरे को भी कोई टॉपिक दे दो? डिड यू मेंशन वंस? और अभी भी मैंने ही बात की है आपसे। टेल मी, आपको वहां मैं घर पे आके दूं क्या?
नो मैम।
व्हेन आर यू डूइंग इट? आर यू डूइंग इट या सीधा मैं जीरो डाल दूं? दैट यू टेल मी।
मैम इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।
You tell me the topic. What next class? Complete the
मैम
sentence.
मैम बुक के किसी चैप्टर के ऊपर।
Hanji. If the chapters are left, you can take the chapter. Otherwise, you will be taking any grammar topic, or you can take any like letter writing, article writing, story writing, anything.
यस मैम।
Tell me what you want.
मैम स्टोरी राइटिंग।
Story writing, you will take one whole period and you will explain in detail then. What are the rules of story writing? Because in the exam also it comes. We give one liner and then you have to extend that story, build up the story.
यस मैम।
So you have to explain and give a few examples also.
मैम
Okay?
प्रेजेंटेशन बना के एक्सप्लेन करना है।
हाँ, आप प्रेजेंटेशन भी बना सकते हो, छोटा सा एक पीपीटी भी बना सकते हो और एक वीडियो भी दिखा सकते हो, द रूल्स ऑफ हाउ टू डू गुड स्टोरी राइटिंग according to class. Are you ready?
यस मैम।
So I'm writing your name, Naitik, story writing. Okay, so start preparing this. And I'm going to personally
प्रेजेंटेशन
ring up your
बचा है।
father that you attend the class, but then you're not doing anything. Okay. Yes, Radhika, you may continue. After Naitik, who is it?
Rishika,
Rishika. She doesn't come to the class. Okay, forget it. Next. After Rishika,
Anushka,
Anushka. Next.
Nikita,
Nikita,
Shivani,
Shivani,
Neha,
Neha.
Pinky,
Pinky and Purti, they have given their names, though they are not present today. And their topic was Pinky and Pooja. Sorry, Pinky and Pooja had given for the poem The School Boy. So I'm not writing Pinky's name. Um, what's the other
Purti,
sister's name? Pinky?
Purti,
Purti. Okay, Purti. Fine. Then
and Prince,
next, Prince. Okay, next.
mm,
Any Mama. And of course, Parth. Parth has come among these children now. अगेन एंड अगेन पार्थ, तुम्हारी ये आदत होती है कि मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा है, बार बार ज्वाइन करना, फिर छोड़ना, फिर ज्वाइन करना। ये सब ना किसी और को उल्लू बनाना तुम। नाउ आल्सो यू आर सिटिंग इन द क्लास बट यू आर म्यूट। एटलीस्ट नैतिक ने टॉपिक to चूज करके अभी डिसाइड कर लिया कि यस मैम आई विल बी डूइंग इट। तुमसे तो वो भी नहीं हो रहा है। The personal, my phone is going to these parents of these children. I'm repeating the names: Adarsh, Manav, Pranav, Naitik. For now, I'm taking off your name. Rishika, Anushka.
Akshay,
Akshay has done. Akshay, yeah, Akshay. Yes, Akshay. He doesn't come to the class, na?
no ma'am,
Rishika, I'm again repeating: Adarsh, Manav, Pranav, Rishika, Anushka, Nikita, Shivani, Neha, Purti, Prince, Parth, and Akshay. I have 13 children who are getting 0 marks out of
Ma'am,
probably
Mudit.
30. हाँ वो मुदित ने हाँ मुदित
Ma'am,
उदित ने तो
Girdhar
पूछा
also.
हाँ
Mudit and Girdhar.
नहीं गिरधर ने तो टॉपिक ले लिया है and he informed me even on my personal WhatsApp that he is making it with Pranjal.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so I'm not writing the name of Giridhar. Mudit I have it. So there are
मैम
14 children. 13, sorry. Yes. Yes, Shreyansh?
मै- मैम गिरधर ने 8 चैप्टर लिया और वो 8 चैप्टर हमने पहले ले लिया था।
Okay. So you are preparing on 8th chapter.
मैम हमारा हो गया प्रिपेयर, हमें बस प्रेजेंट करना है।
Okay. So I'll cut his name and give him some other topic then. Then can
यस
you
मैम।
personally WhatsApp him, Giridhar, to take some other topic?
यस मैम।
Okay. So it's your duty. You will personally WhatsApp Giridhar and tell him that he's going to take either some grammar topic or probably the 10th chapter is empty. 10th chapter he can take.
ओके मैम।
Okay. Fine. I'm writing over here Giridhar because he had spoken to me last time also. Today he is not there now. Giridhar.
Ma'am, can I do presentation in next class?
Which I want a topic.
Ma'am, articles.
No, articles is a very easy topic for you. Something else. Why don't you take out exercises and I want exercises of like 2, 3 lines about like verbs and all sorts of tenses, a
Okay, ma'am.
combination of many tenses. So that exercise you can do it in the class, and so that the class is active, you can make a PPT of it. Not a very short one. It should at least go on for 40 minutes, and then make the class active and interactive, and then you can present that also. You make it, keep it, and it should be good. Are you okay with the topic?
Yes,
Parth?
ma'am.
Okay. Then for now, I'm cutting your name. I'm writing over here the topic tenses. Okay, and it should not be that easy, simple present and past tense. It should be of higher level, like present perfect, continuous, or that sort of thing. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. But make sure it is of good level of 8th standard. Okay, I've written your name, tenses, activity. I'm writing in between. Okay, fine. Now, what was I saying? Uh, Devan, is it done? Your presentation?
No, ma'am.
Sorry that I had to interrupt.
Okay, ma'am. Question number 4. Compare the pool in Rajpur and the pond Rajputana village. Akshat, can you pick?
Yes. Akshita answered the question.
Pool in Rajpur was extremely beautiful. The water in it had a translucency, and one could see the smooth round pebbles at the bottom of the pool, whereas the pond in Rajputana village was muddy and sticky, where buffaloes and women washed clothes.
Okay, Akshita, you are right, but somewhere um, a pool in Rajkot. It was beautiful pool, and the water in it had a translucency, and one could see the smooth round pebble at the bottom of the pool. A pond in Rajputana village. It was muddy and sticky. The buffalo wallowed and women washed clothes. So question number 5. What did Ranji notice on the next day when he was resting on the yellow rocks? Anybody wants to answer? Akshat?
Yes.
May I?
Okay, answer the question.
Ranji noticed a boy who was tall, thick, and had a broad chest and had red lips. And he also invited the boy to the pool, but the boy refused it, saying that the pool was only his.
Own pool. Yes, uh, he noticed another boy standing at a little distance away, staring at him in a hostile manner. He was Suraj. He was little older than Ranji. Suraj was taller with broad nose and red lips. Describe the pool in Rajpur during monsoon and summer season. It is in Rajpur, not Rajputana Desert. Akshat, can you pick?
Yes. Nandini, answer the question.
Please
May
try
I?
this. Yeah.
Yes, please.
The water of uh, the water, the pool of Rajput forest did not get dry in summer because a thin flow of stream fed it and rocks held the water in it.
And in monsoon? And in monsoon season, what get the Rajpur uh, pool during monsoon? What get pool become?
May I?
Yes.
The during the monsoon season, the pool would be gushing torrent,
Yes.
and but during summer it was barely a trickle. It would never dry up like the pools in plains.
Okay. During monsoon season, the pool would have a gushing torrent, but during summer it was barely a trickle. It would never dry like the pool in plains.
It is barely. Devang, it is barely. Barely का क्या मतलब होता है? Anyone?
ना मुश्किल से like
Yeah, हाँ, very मतलब
yes.
just able to do it. So barely a trickle.
Okay, ma'am. Question number 7. What were the feeling of Ranji when
One
he
second,
saw?
one second. Akshata, I would like you to keep correcting. You can unmute yourself and correct if anyone speaks a wrong word, pronounces it wrong, okay?
Ma'am, can you repeat? There is a lot of noise.
I was actually telling Akshata that she should correct the pronunciation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Devang.
What were the feeling of Ranji when he saw Suraj approaching towards him for the first time? Anybody wants to answer? Akshat?
Yes.
Saira ma'am.
Pranjal, answer the question.
Anybody wants to answer?
May
Please
I?
answer the. Yes, please, Monica.
Ranji was quite alone in Rajput. He had no friends and his school had not yet opened, so he was prepared to be friendly with the stranger.
Mm, Ranji was quite alone in Rajpur. He he had no friend and his school had not yet opened. So he was prepared to be friendly with the stranger. So question number 8. Do you think that Ranji was a good in arguments?
Arguments.
It if yes, quite. If yes, give a few examples. Anybody gives few example? Like anybody, Akshat?
Yes. Shreyansh, answer the question. Shreyansh.
Shreyansh, Shreyansh, are you there?
Radhika, answer the question.
Radhika, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Then please read out what was showing.
Okay. Radhika, read it.
Yes, I completely that Ranji was very good in arguments.
I
When
completely agree. There's a one word missing over there, Devang. Okay,
Yes,
continue.
ma'am. I write it, ma'am. Where is gone, ma'am? I don't know.
Continue,
when
Radhika.
Suraj said to him, "I don't take replies from villagers like you." Ranji replied, "So you like to fight with villagers?" When Suraj said to him, "Then why are you not running away?" Ranji replied, "I am waiting for you to run away."
Okay, there's one more line I forgot. There is five line and six line.
Above replies show that he was good in arguments.
Yes. Question number nine. What was the result of the first day fight?
May I?
Yes.
Uh,
When Ranji did not go away from the pool, the other boy made extreme slapped Ranji across the face with all the force. Ranji felt quite dizzy, and thick red finger marks were formed on his cheek. Now Ranji swung his arm up and pushed a hard, bony fist into Suraj's face, and then they caught each other's thoughts. They were swaying on the rock, tumbling on the sand, rolling over and over, their legs and arms locked in a this this struggle. They rolled into the shallows of pool, and their fight continued even in the water, spluttering and covering with mud. Their frantic and unscientific struggle continued for 5 minutes when they got harassed completely, but neither of them came out as the winner.
Okay. After the fight, nobody of them armed to be victorious. Their body are exhausted. They were making a lot of effort to speak, but they could only decide that the fight would contain continue next day. So it's my presentation. Thank you and Shairam. Ma'am, ma'am, now it's Pranjal. So, ma'am, now Pranjal come now. He saw the MCQ, ma'am, some
Okay,
MCQ.
now Pranjal is going to continue, and it's also time also. Pranjal, can we complete it today?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they are very.
Okay. Oh, you'll
Ma'am,
take
they
5 minutes?
can. Ma'am, only 5 minutes.
Okay, fine,
Not more than.
fine, fine. Continue. It is possible that I have to start your assessment for the reading passage one. No, 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 I'm not doing passage one for you people. Huh? The Google form is there. The Google form will inform you prior itself when are we taking it. Okay, and that day nobody will be absent.
Question first. Who wanted to learn swimming? Option A Suraj, B Ranji, C Vikrant, or D Ranjit.
May I?
Answer.
Option A, Suraj.
Let's see. Yes, correct. Suraj want to learn swimming. Second question. Who was the best swimmer?
Ranji.
Option A Ranji. Uh, um, Option C. What did Ranji drink in the market? A.
And
Lemonade.
Coca-Cola. B.
Lemonade.
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 When he Ranji was doing swimming, who came there? A boy older than Ranji, some village people, a boy younger than Ranji, some friends of Ranji.
Option A,
A
Friends.
boy older than Ranji.
a boy older than Ranji.
Yes. The pool was very option A
Clean.
clean,
Clean.
in
All of
inviting,
these.
All
cold,
of these.
or all of.
All of these.
Where were the pool of water located? Village, forest, desert, bazaar.
Forest.
Forest.
No, village.
Village.
Uh, Question 7. How much milk did Suraj drink daily? One share, half share, two share, or none of the above? Please answer fast.
One share. Option A.
Let's see. Yes, correct. One share. Uh, who was a wrestler? Ranji, Suraj, Vikrant, or Ranjit?
Suraj.
Suraj.
Suraj. Next. With what name did the boy introduce himself? A fighter, a criminal, a warrior, or a student?
A
A
warrior.
warrior.
A fighter.
Yes, correct. Next. What did he ask Ranji? To come and swim with him, to get out of the pool, play with him or to study with him?
To
Option
come and
B.
swim, to come and swim with him.
Let's see. Yes, correct. To get out of the pool. Why did Ranji do? He drank some water from the pool. He went away from there. He got into the pool. He did nothing but stayed there quietly.
He
Option
got into the pool.
option C.
Yes, option C. Yes, correct. He got into the pool. Uh, where had Ranji seen such pools before? Village town, hometown, Rajputana desert, or Sahara desert?
Rajput,
Rajputana
Rajput
Desert.
Yes, correct. Rajputana desert. So these are the MCQs. Thank you and Sairam.
It was good to see that Pranjal, even after having this exam, after that he made it sure that he was in time to continue with Devang. That's the spirit actually. Okay, Sairam, it's time also. And next time we will have Shreyansh who will continue.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have some book exercise questions. So can I present in
We do
next
one thing.
class?
Keep that on hold. Keep that on hold. First, I want to give other children also chance. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And you remind me also like after this assessment of this Google form and all, then I will give you the chance.
Okay, ma'am.
So next time it is Shreyansh and Vivek who will continue. Okay. Bye now. Short summary also. Okay, you can hold that also, Pranjal. We'll see when someday we'll have 5-10 minutes, then we will complete that. Okay. So bye for now.